Hey everyone, this is Grizzly, and in this video I'm going to show you all how I would day trade a fall through support. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to know when to take profits. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming content. Let's get right into this. First off, we're looking at the video here. Ticker MVDA. Yes, this is a trade I personally took. No, I did not call it out in the Discord just because the market was a little rough that day and I didn't want to risk anyone losing money. I try to call out the most high probability trades I can. Okay, first off, when I'm in a day trade, I'm always watching the 1 minute and 5 minute chart on the stock I'm currently trading. As you can see here, the video come down showing me a sign of weakness. I see my indicators crossing up, signaling a downtrend. So I'm watching for it to fall through this support area that I marked out on the hourly chart during pre-market. We come down, break. Okay, we break here. This first move down, I see that as scalping material. And those of you that aren't familiar with what a scalp is, it's a trade that lasts seconds to minutes. The fastest type of trade there is. And when I trade something like this, I'm looking to get 1 to 10% profit using put options. Put options are what you use when you're trading to the downside. Now, okay, this is the higher risk trade. Scalps are higher risk. They can turn around quickly on you. If you want a safer entry for possibly a longer trade, such as a day trade, for those of you who don't know, a day trade is a trade that lasts minutes to hours. If I get into a day trade, I never hold it overnight. Day trades are not meant to be held overnight. You haven't done the proper research to hold this overnight. Anyways, what you're going to be looking for to enter this for a day trade, it's going to come back up here. It's going to test this area again. What you want to see is what used to be support. You want to see it turn into resistance, and you want to see it come back off. You want to see the sellers get in control here. And what I'll look for is for it to get below this indicator here, which is my 9 EMA. I got in this trade here using put options. I had this level marked out. All this is a support, the closest support below me that I could find that was of any importance at all. As you can see here, I had a nice move down. I took all my profits here, but I left a lot on the table. There's a strategy called the 9 EMA strategy, which works if the market has chosen a direction for the day. As you can see here, if you're using that strategy, you would have stayed in this trade until you had a candle open above it, which happened around this 272 area. And for those of you that are familiar with options, you know that's a really good trade. We'd have been, if we had any position size at all, we'd really made some money off this trade here. I did really well with this one move here. I could imagine what it would have been if I'd held all the way down here. And I watched both of these together. I like them both to tell me the same story, but a different story all at the same time, if that makes sense. But you can clearly see on both these charts, the sellers were in control this entire time. I left money on the table, you know. I should have left some runners to catch additional gains. I should have stopped, sold the rest of them right here. There was no reason for me to get out of this trade. But, that pretty much sums up how I would trade this. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram and the Discord. I'll leave the links to my socials, and I'll leave a link if you want to join the Discord in the description. I appreciate you all for watching. I'll catch you all next time.